Hi, I'm Jan Gurn, the CEO and one of the founders of Modscape. Welcome to Modscape today. It's fantastic to have you all here and to take you for a tour through our facility. We are the one of a kind in Australia and the largest facility in the Southern Hemisphere. Modscape has been operating for 18 years. 11 years ago, we were a founding member of prefabAUS, which is the industry organisation to represent the industry. And for the last 8 years, the CBA have been our business banking partner, taking us through a lot of growth as we expand through Australia. I'd like to introduce Grant Cairns, the Executive General Manager of Business Lending at the CBA, to share some exciting news.
Well, good morning, everyone. Grant Cairns from the Commonwealth Bank. I'm the Executive General Manager for Business Lending. Jan, I just want to say a big thank you to Modscape and the team for hosting this event today. We're very proud of our partnership. And involvement with Modscape for over 8 years, and some of the involvement we've had in supporting the robotics and the automation that we're going to see here today. We're also really excited about the prefabricated housing industry. We know that this is a fast, efficient form of building housing and is part of the solution to helping enable more housing supply. We've seen in other global jurisdictions, including Sweden, that this form of construction off-site can represent up to 80%. And we see a real opportunity for that in Australia. And that's why we've sponsored prefabAUS, which is essentially the peak body for the manufactured building associations in Australia. What we're really excited about is working with prefabAUS on a new standard contract, much like homes have for off-site construction. So you're going to learn more about that contract and some of the policy changes that we're making at the Commonwealth Bank to help enable that over the next couple of months. So I'll introduce Michael Baumann, our Executive General Manager of Home Buying, to speak to that now.
Thank you, Grant, and thank you, Jan, for hosting us here today. I'm Michael Baumann, Executive General Manager for Home Buying at the Commonwealth Bank. Housing affordability is a big issue, obviously, in Australia right now. It's as low as it is since 3 decades. And also rental stock is pretty low in the major cities. The government obviously clearly understood that and has put in place a goal to build 1.2 million houses over 5 years. And as we all know, we are slightly behind that target right now, so we need some innovative and creative ideas how we can achieve that, and Commonwealth Bank obviously is very supportive of that as well. Really for context, right now if you want to build a house, we are only paying out the funds as the building is constructed on site, so we have progress payments. Given that obviously in the modular household we build everything off-site in the factory, we will only actually pay the amount when it's actually constructed on-site. So the customer is actually out of pocket by roughly 90% of the bill. So the change that we are putting in place right now will mean that we are paying up to 80% of the contract value as part of progress payments before actually the building is constructed on-site, and that would obviously enable and hopefully, together with the contract that we are building together with prefabAUS, really unleash the prefab construction sector. So we hope that we can actually get more of our customers into houses more quickly and help to actually unlock big housing boom as well. Thank you. Oh, sorry, I'm handing over to Damien Crow from prefabAUS.
Yeah, thank you, Michael and Grant. I'm Damien Crow, co-founder and executive chairman of prefabAUS. I'd like to formally welcome the CBA as a member of our organisation. We're thrilled to be working with the CBA to unlock the potential for the prefabricated industry in Australia to address one of the critical challenges we face right now: access to high-performing housing at speed. Utilising prefabrication, we're seeing homes built in a factory-controlled environment like we are here today in 10 to 12 weeks, compared to traditional housing built on site taking 18 months. Now I'm going to hand back to Jan for a tour of the factory. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Damien. We're going to head over to the far side, which is what we call Modbotics, and that's where we make all the components that we ultimately assemble into the modules. So just yell out with any questions as we cruise around.